This is my 13 centimeter ATV transmitter, built in a housing on some cannibalized professional equipment. I remove the cover, and what you see inside is a module that is purchased and a small PCB with a pic on it, and here we have a display on the front, and I also added a power supply. This is a transformer, this is the rectifier bridge, a capacitor and some voltage regulator on the bottom. The board is known as G1MGF board or Comtech board. You can find more about it on the internet, and it has a few fixed frequencies that you can select here with these switches, but to have it controllable over the whole frequency range, the PIC is added, some ASCII code is put in it, and it controls this Comtech board. The output power is not very much, about 30 milliwatts, so you have to amplify it if you want to have more. And it has a video input and two audio inputs for 6 and 6.5 megahertz, and I added a small amplifier here in a metal case, a small amplifier to connect directly a microphone to it. I dimmed the light a bit, hopefully the display can be seen. When I switch it on, it shows the developer of the controller, PE1RKM, and now you have the frequency display with TX off. There's a button TX on and off, but it is not connected, so it makes no sense. You see then a bar graph coming and TX off, but it makes no sense. In the menu you can use the up and down buttons. When you go to the button menu, you can define the step size. Several step sizes are possible. The smallest is 125 kilohertz and the largest is 5 megahertz. And when you don't use further the menu button, then you can, with up and down, the step size you defined. You can do the whole 13 centimeter band and even outside the band. Output power is low, about 30 milliwatts, and there are some modifications for the video because this one has no pre-emphasis. So if you want to have pre-emphasis, you need to build it inside the board. If you made it the way I did it, with the connectors directly sticking out of the front panel. So this 13 centimeter band transmitter, and to make more output you need of course a power amplifier. Maybe later about that. If you want to be kept informed when the next video is published, please subscribe below and you will be informed. See you!